it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I wanted to come and tell you, I am always asked, what can I do as a beginner? What do I need? So I put together this little kit, and I want to show you what's in my bag. So this is a beginner toolkit, and let me show you what all is in there. So I will put it all in a grouping for you, and along with the little bag as well, so that you can carry all your stuff with you. First things first is your adhesive. This is the Stamp and Seal. I always have that on hand. And then what we get in the inside, you're going to want your Memento black ink, because you want to be able to stamp and you're going to need ink. So you will need ink, and the basic black, tuxedo black actually, Memento ink is great for that. And then of course you're going to need your scissors. So these are called paper snips. They're perfect little size to fit in there, and they're so sharp, so be very careful, but it helps you to be able to fussy cut, or if you need to cut a ribbon, an angle, or anything like that. It works really well. Of course, along with your ink, there's nothing worse than having your photopolymer stamps or your cling stamps and then not having a block to put them on. So you're going to get an acrylic block. You're also going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals, which is going to make your cards pop, literally. So it gives some dimension to your images or greetings. And then, of course, you guys see me use these all the time if you watched my stamping videos, which is the bone folder. And then, of course, my favorite tool of all is the Take Your Pick tool. I use this for everything, not just stamping. I use it for everything. I'd like to tell you everything that I use it for, but literally. The only thing I haven't done with it is probably cleaned, and I probably could get some grout out with this, but this is my stamping Take Your Pick tool. When you get it, you'll still get them all in the packages and everything like that. So this is the Take Your Pick tool. It'll also come with an extra putty, and it also, I don't know if you know how these little guys work, but you just take that off. But look at this. There's also this little guy, and I believe there's one more that's in there. So I don't want to open this, but I think there is. I think it's got a little pinpoint, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure. These are the only ones I use. I use this side and this. So I know a lot of other people use this side as well. And that's the reason I don't know if there's another piece to this. I think there is. But then you can also purchase separately the little guy that helps you take stuff off the dies. I wish I knew the names of them. But this is everything you get in that little toolkit. So, and then along with the bag, I'm going to give that to you as well when you order the toolkit from me. So if you want to get that, go to beautyandthestamper.com, and I'll have all the information there, and you can buy that, and I would be happy, happy, happy to send one to you. Now, if you are, again, starting out, just beginning, and you're not sure, you can also purchase the paper pumpkin kits. I do these classes every month, so you could learn how to do them with me. I do them online. I do them live, and it would be so fun. But these paper pumpkin boxes, they come with everything that you need. It comes, your first one's going to come with a block. And this is a great way, oh, I just lost my spool of twine. There was a spool of twine in there. But look, it comes with an ink spot, so you're building your ink. It comes with, if it's a card one, then it comes with all the envelopes. It comes with these little mini glue dots, and it comes with, I mean, everything you need It's got all the papers in there. It's got all the embellishments in there. And most importantly, it's got the stamps in there. So Paper Pumpkin is a great way if you're thinking about just starting out and want to build that collection. Grab one of these boxes. I'll put the links down below for the toolkit and for the Paper Pumpkin, or you can always go to my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. So I hope you like this. I know so many of you have missed my face, so I've decided, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do more front-facing camera work, and then also I think I'm going to move back out to the other room to do my crafts again here pretty quickly. That way you can see everything, and I don't know, I feel like I could see you guys too. At least I feel like I'm talking to you always. So, all right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!